So you found a TikTok video you love. Maybe it's a trend, a skit, or a clip you want to repost or use in an edit. But the moment you download it, boom, there's that watermark right there ruining it. Annoying, right? Today I'm fixing that for good. I'll show you a quick method to download any TikTok video completely watermark-free and high quality, no extra apps needed. Before we start, tap subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, mom, about good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Mrs. Baby. Bro, what's up, bro? It's right.
No, Miss, I will.
Oh, that's our. Oh.
I have to move.
Oh, that's
This is the minister.